Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite with a business credit and funding tip on how to start building initial business credit using vendor accounts. So a business credit report can be started really much the same as a consumer credit report is with small credit cards. Now the business can be approved for these small credit cards that help them build initial credit profile and score and also help them buy the things that they need to be able to fund the business. So these type of initial cards in the business world are commonly referred to as vendor credit or oftentimes referred to as trade credit. Now, a vendor line of credit is when a company, a vendor, extends a line of credit to your business with set terms like net 15, net 30, net 60, or net 90-day terms. Now, this means you could purchase their products and then you have a maximum of that time frame to pay them back. So, for example, if you have a net 30 account and you purchase $300 worth of goods, well, then you have 30 days, net 30 days to pay back that full $300 that you borrowed. And again, some of them are net 15 where they only give you 15 days. Some are net 60 where they give you 60 days, with net 30 giving you 30 days to pay back the entirety of what you borrowed, being the most common type of vendor account. Now you can get products and services for your business that it needs. It eases cash flow, and then these vendors report to the reporting agencies, helping you build business credit. And some of these vendors will approve your company for net 30 accounts, even as little verification as just your EIN and 411 listing. So keep an eye out for other videos and training that we have that will give you actual vendors who will give you credit that report to the business credit reporting agencies, helping you establish your initial business credit reports and scores. And also, you can get some of these vendors if you grab our free 4-step guide on building business credit at creditsuite.com/tips, or feel free to give us a ring and talk to us more about getting credit and financing for your business at 877-600-2487, or directly visit us online at creditsuite.com.